Samsung just dropped the One UI 8 beta, and it's arriving months earlier than expected. What's up guys, Atif here with an exclusive first look at Android 16's biggest upgrades, and one frustrating downgrade. Samsung learned from One UI 7's delays. July-August stable release versus April 2025 for UI 7. Beta live in US, Germany, Korea via Samsung members. Deep Google collab, first with Android 16 features. Killer features, 90/10 multitasking, finally, full-screen apps plus mini window. Revamped Reminder app, smarter than Google Tasks. Quick Share 2.0, dedicated send-receive interface, plus new AI features, Auracast audio sharing, and Knox Vault security. The big disappointment, where's Material U 3.0? Still using old One UI design language? No dynamic color theming? Google did it better. Samsung's ignoring Android's best visual upgrade. Should you install? Try if you crave cutting-edge multitasking. Avoid if you need banking apps. Beta breaks some. Pro tip, wait for July stable build on Z Fold 7 Flip 7. Downloading the beta? Drop your first impressions below. Subscribe for our full One UI 8 versus Android 16 showdown next week. Watch next, Galaxy Z Fold 7, One UI 8 hands-on.